Hi guys, it's Carrie from Rockin Farm, and I am months upon months late doing this because I was going to plant these garlic in a different bed, but I've decided I'm not going to. So I am going to put this in the back number 4 bed. Ooh, I need to get a hoe or something, but I'm going to plant all this garlic back in the number 4 bed, and we'll just let it go. This is the first week that it's been actually cold. Like today it's really cold. Like I have to have like hats and stuff on, and my chickens are stuck in a coop. I'm gonna have to go open that door. So anyway, I'm out here and I'm going to put this garlic in this back bed where I had my cucumbers and my onions, and I've got onions growing. Let me turn you around and show you. My onions are growing. Look at that. I've got onions there, onions over there. Oh my goodness gracious. It's very, very cold, but I'm going to try to get my garlic into the beds here. And since it's already got the netting around it too, that's just basil that I left to hopefully reseed for next year. And I'm just going to go through it. Okay, so we've changed our mind. So we're going to put it in the original bed that I was going to do, and we're just getting some compost out of the compost pan pot. We're getting some compost out of the compost pile to fill it up. So that's what my husband's doing. So here you can see where my husband is adding the compost from our compost pile into the raised bed. I did tear up some cardboard boxes and place in the bottom of the raised beds where they were not completely flush to the ground so that the soil would not spill out and it could be contained by the raised bed. So if you want to do that, you can do that. And during this time also, I've brought in about 2 or 3 5-gallon buckets full of rabbit manure and mix that in with the soil of this raised bed in hopes that I will get a good harvest from the garlic that I'm placing in this bed. So now you can see where I am just leveling out the soil that Hunter has brought me to make sure that we have it all the way to the top of the bed, because I do know that it will settle over time and I want to ensure that I put plenty in there at first. Now I'm just breaking up the bulbs and I'm placing I think it's the Transylvania garlic in the front and then my elephant garlic in the back. And then I've decided to put some bamboo sticks around it to keep the dog out. But then I decided I'm going to have something more to keep the dog out. So I start pulling on that green netting in the back and place that around haphazardly that bed so the dogs won't get in it. Don't jump on me. So anyway, guys, thanks for joining me, and this is all going to be voiceover because it's cold and windy. So thanks for joining me, and make what you have beautiful.